Hi, good afternoon to Dr. Henry and my fellow friends. I'm Lee Jun Cheng. So today I'm going to present about valuation report writing on my subject property. So first of all, I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Lee Jun Cheng, a registered valuer with the register code V7724, and I'm currently working for IQI Reality, which is an agency lah. So I'm going to briefly describe my subject property. So the type of my subject property is a single story house located in number 26 Lintang Sungai Keramat 9A, Taman Klang Utama 42100, Klang Selangor. So its title is HSD 19591, lot 19361, and Mukim of Kappa, District of Klang, and State of Selangor. It is a freehold property measuring 153.285 square meter, which is 1,650 square feet. So it's currently occupied lah. The location and the neighborhood of the property is actually situated in Taman Klang Utama, which is a small residential area located in Klang Utama. So generally, the neighborhood of the subject property comprise a mixture of residential area and commercial developments, which they have shop lots around the residential area surrounding by the small area of the residential area. So actually they had built a basketball which is just one road, a basketball court which is just one road away from the subject property. So that's why this location is quite good for the people who wants to avoid a city of life. So in the sixth slide, I had showed the location plan on my presentation slide. So now I'm going to briefly go on about the site description. The plot dimension of the subject property is 22 times 75, which makes it 1,650 square feet. So the shape is basically rectangular, flat, and lies at the same level as the frontage metal road. So which means they are having the same level of the height for the property and the road. So it is a single story intermediate end lot. Yes, intermediate end lot. So accommodation, it is having a living room. Since this is a single story, so it is having a living room, dining room, and 4 bedroom with kitchen, and 1 bathroom in the master bedroom, and 1 sharing bathroom beside the kitchen. So it is just having 1 floor, so that's why everything is on the ground floor lah. So it's covered with covered terrace, and there's a porch. So I'm going to skip about the plan acquis and zoning and the title search, because 3 of these I had put into my slides with the hard copy with you. So I'm going to briefly talk about the calculation method. As we see, the estimate of value for the subject property mostly we will use for the comparison method of valuation to compare around 3 to 4 properties in order to get the value we want. So there are 3 other properties which is in the same exact area but different street, but it's almost the same type, although some of them are different sizes, maybe smaller. So I made a comparison method for 4 of them, and there is some adjustment for the size because some of them are smaller than the subject property. So the percentage I give is either lower or higher. The date of transaction is also different. So sir, you can refer to my presentation slide. So the date of transaction, and I changed date of transaction, size, and accessibility, tenure. So about the location, the land improvement, or anything other than location, anything other than the size I didn't change, because they are exactly the same, in the same area, in the same location. So I didn't change much on that. So the final price range per square feet I get is 259.77. So if I use this amount to times with the 1650 square feet, which is the subject property size, I will get 428,620.5 ringgit, saying 428,600 ringgit. So the next valuation is the investment method. So I had online search about the market rental value for the area. So actually, if the thing that I walk through, the real amount of the property is renting around 1,200 for a month, but on the market value, people are advertising around 1,500. So I put on two calculations, which is the first one for 1,200 and the second one is 1,500. So the first one, the final amount I get after YP is 214,000. So for the next one I get is 244. So after I add on both of these together, I get a capital value of 458,622 ringgit. So saying that 459,000 ringgit lah. So this is the investment method of the capital value. And then AFA and MFA. So MFA stands for the build up value, which is the using area, not including balconies, not including car porch, which is outside of the living area. So doesn't mean it's not the part of your land. It is just another description for your living area. So MFA of my property is 22 times 65, which makes it 1,430 square feet. So since it's just a single story house, so the only AFA area is the car porch, is the place that we park our car. So AFA is only 22 times 10 plot dimension, which is 220 square feet only. So the total square feet of them is 1,650 square feet. Yes. So here comes the professional fee. The professional fee of the report is held under HSD 19591, lot 19361, Mukim of Kappa, District of Klang, State of Selangor. So the scale fee is mainly set by the border. So the scale fee I took from 1/4%, which is the first 100,000. So 1/5% is my next 280,000, since 380,000 is the value of mine. So the total scale fee I get after the discount for 25%, because we are having promotion right now, so we do it 25%. So the agreed fee is 607.5 ringgit. So the government tax is 6%, so we spend it around 50 ringgit. So we have to add on other disbursement like pictures, title search, petrol, JUPEM, zoning plan, toll fee, and the Pelan Akui searching. Sorry. The Pelan Akui searching. So total disbursement is around 448.6 ringgit. So the total professional fee is 1,056.1 ringgit. So say it's 1,100 ringgit. That is our professional fee. So this is the end of my presentation for my subject property, and I have described the property details, site description, and the locations of neighborhood for my subject property, and I have explained a few calculation, which is comparison method, investment method, professional fee scale, and the AFA and MFA thing. So thank you so much, and thank you.